Freshman fibro te ane por ngene pe ngene ki komen jong ngene ki pa ba hadien ba rakam pa banyak kenduk bat ya ko wi pipi ban shu waddong da lade ya lade tem tato ngene pe ngene ki komen minister ba pen flop ya pasor kar jong konrad udai une rakam kon ne kerdan minister jung perkat langkum po nyangar dia shubam shu be wow kopap last mentau benai une ubhaita snat nat ban pe komen hakni kisni namar bun kibale sing thu bat kibale itu laga jing trikam jong ka mda kam kai rakam akan sha penhap shuki hame la inga hi shon yone shri labun shimi. If the deficit school perform better than the government school, they should be awarded with better and non-perform government school. Meyasia mem job be hi namar ki karo kia tali banyadai hangi las mitas na rambe. Kamut ba kam kama kapongsan kadai block 1 block 2. Lami dur sa okli karo. Ken me kumno hero yo minister kumya. Kajingle ran ha gajalla batung minister konrad da kajing sngew uba rumboy bat urakam kidegi education minister ki betwit tam jong ka sarkar mda ban pen hier kerdan hek mda balai pan it must be better to privilege all public sector in Meghalaya ya shakmat sarwa pen sngam yakiu nong waddong namar makikim nang ban thawlen ti kumno ban pen pha handai kinang tang ban am wo Ide ban sngu yaw konrad sang makan no usben kiu ya kajalla kadai hi shisin perkat kataru ba rakam lada wan ya kuran ban une ham ban pu nong pen kala khaktin hendai don ba pe ka eka baki ya kran you need to talk or demand garolan not suck honey from Khasi people kin sawan ya kran onda lamat jing kumha district council you are right rakam sir, keep it up. You are right, Rakam, sir, keep it up. Mongolilal minister. In this matter, I think that from teacher side support MDA. Kadai pelan lakran berpiang ke ibadai. Kadai Rakam. They ken ba surau. You are the worst education minister of Meghalaya. Start pelan ugaro ki khasi jingi pat bits by rupa haba. Bits by rupa kinong elam te manu bajob. Shina kaying school kasurokro malayam. Well said, sir. Good job, Rakram. NPP Sangma Arsam. There is a song, there is a feeling. Sai party wo round ambitioni brew expert. Ayu hi shu popre. Tangki kampok sudah. Voice of the Penbit Paipa. It is with the better, please do it as soon as possible. Letang meh perlok bishbun.